Mwancho mwirire wa TV akise hot na wakirembia mwana singi ncho kwa ndire kusanga amone into kila chingaki njasa muretane ni wankuru kwa nyeptu Dennis kusana mwancha undangeri kuntu. By the way niko na chiriga singi ncho to kusanga dinga nelimo igoro ya siasa chia Nyanza asingi ncho musikerera murudinga ese kunyarekana nga ochire African Union also quitting from politics ngo chiko take as the Nyanza kingpin kurwa Raila Odinga. Asim yake menge over 20 years Raila Odinga obereka go take over as the kingpin kurwa ase ensemo ya Nyanza region. Right now ase siasa ya Kenya mwana secretary every region kwa motete konyora kende go save president if anything we go to arenga kurwa aso kurwa no what support no wate abantu bako kwa support no wate ngokwana ore kuiwekana now gato kurigiri katiabarai barebara chiko take over kurwa as Raila Odinga if Raila Odinga kagojwe exit kurwa as active politics cha Kenya. Number one, umurayo chiko take over kurwa as Raila Odinga wikabe n'umuntu bwate umutu mumupa paraga kapa umuntu bwate characteristics bnecha Raila Odinga umuntu tari kogoseka umuntu gukwa n'abantu kurasare bategerera umuntu at least bwate rieta no Kenya so that ekarugo twaranga kurusenari Nyanza kugukwana at least abakenya mbagotegerere other areas ase ekyama wose asochi kukwana ekero kobe kingpin kuru ruo Nyanza not even ruo particular kobe kingpin kuru Nyanza region we kobe nga aye no what support ya ODM no muntu yoke what support ya ODM now you can be the kingpin ya Nyanza region na leke kobe the kingpin ya Nyanza region you can command since other counties asikama yo ODM yanchire abantu bagendere wanche kyamekyo you can say anything abantu bagotegerera you can speak anything no necessarily yagotegerera umura yorororo obwa okay bona gatiabara ivaria mbwate according to me warese goteki kurwa ase Raila Odinga babwate mitwe myomo abara yabaiga mbari batanya kwa keke batari kugoreka kisiasa abara yabaiga mbari batari kugoseka kisiasa abara yabaiga mbari babwate stand na abara yabaiga mbari babeire Raila Odinga support for over 20 years at least umuntu Raila asometa kamanya because nabakoba endorsed koseko chorwa no musikerera tenga bona nyarebe tiga take over kurwa senda sengencho Raila kago soka kurwa Kenya kakwenda African Union muna apasanzo arego kuana as the chairperson ya African Union tare chikoba siasa akotrikoba siasa igento nage korma kurwo go asokure country. You don't commenting and support nyarebe. You stay away from politics. Turekoba wakimura yo kiama. Aibono koba neutral. Asengencho, just the African Union, you need to work very hard to make sure country cha Africa njiwate peace, njiwate security, amongst other things. So as the party leader, okay, tino kwa nango chukoba the party leader after Raila Odinga. But I'm talking about today who is going to take over as the Nyanza kingpin if Raila quits and exceeds and from active politics to Kenya. Now listen to me. I have around abara ivata tukosebane but now bekile a list labda para chiko take over as the kingpin kurwa ase Nyanza region. Number one, duwate umuske the governor Simba Arati, the governor of Kisii County. The reason one na kubekere number one Governor Simba Arati ngeringa this governor since karalengo a councillor, not even MCA, a councillor. He was appointed Nomo Sikerera Moro Dinga Raila akamwe support muna ekjana ke keko so siasa ke rureko kenye sukuma Raila ka support Simba Arati akabe councillor in Nairobi. From there, after serving as the the councillor, now akatwara interest yokuburia ekirokyo bwempi osobo jumbe na handa akabua kura ODM orochina gasene ko kina gotira. I'm giving you the reason why labda Raila Odinga are knows Simba Arati osemura yonde abungo chiko kweresera bara chiko was the kingpin cha Nyanza region tinu kwa na party leader. No. Yes. From there, Simba Arati akachicha akaba MP for 2 terms. Akaru Nairobi akacha Kisii County akabore governor for the first time na anda akabwa akabu governor Kisii County. Korwa abu governor Kisii County, he has been fighting a battle of challenges. And these battles make you very famous in the Nyanza region and in the country and or in the whole world. Are very famous because of what? The battles, wrangles he's fighting in his leadership as the governor of Kisii County. Na bari bakuru anika na bari bago bwate se yose those wrangles cha market Simba Arati kochia isiko na other parts of the country. Chika se ko make ko famous. Another thing kera make Simba Arati to be the kingpin ya Ruo Nyanza ekero Raila Odinga exit ko siasa cha Kenya ngerenga. Number 2 ekero governor Simba Arati abetu governor Kisii County. He looked on how to unite poda raiders in Nyanza region na nebato omorai oyomo okobakwanira. It is Simba Arati who organized poda raiders in every county: Kisumu County, Siaya County, Migori County, Nyamira County, Homa Bay County, Kisii County, and any county which is within Nyanza region. Bakachora abarai. Bakachora now the president of Poda Oyoku Okoro Kisii County na ando okwanira podas bonsi kurwa Nyanza region. Umuntu okorete byonsi is Simba Arati. Why? Is looking on how to market himself and to be famous. The first thing korete in the Nyanza region noko koyo net poda riders abagani chipigipigi nyina abantu abagani chipigipigi nabange bale na nabagani chipigipigi krabara abange ngosambaza bari ujumbe nga Simba Arati at least elitangu kwane kalire bakachoro murayo yomo mu president okuguide poda riders ku Nyanza region and ku Kisii County. So ekuba raisi the president of Poda to allow to help Simba Arati to penetrate in the other counties chikotoka Luo Nyanza na Nyanza engima. Okay? Number 3, at least Simba Arati na watu mutuo muomo paraga kapa na Raila Odinga. Ka kwanire gento osika kanire no hokoraki na bukire igo. Number 4, Simba are very honest. Uche kama ya ODM since arenge a councillor up to now. Abeire a governor. Number 5, at least Simba Arati na what a future yokoba omo president of Kenya. Because after a governorship, what do you have in your mind? He is still young, at the age of 40s. What do you think in your mind after governorship? Because the constitution only allows you to contest or to be the governor only for 2 terms, and that is 10 years. From there, the future. They say 2032, he might contest for presidency in this country. And now, for you to contest for presidency in this country, at least where you come from your region, no what is support ego kubanga, wase go guide, wase go kubata koboko. Automatically, if Simba Arati kago chikotenena muno president 2032 igega Kenya, now tagotenena chama Kenya Jones wikatene ne chama yekuru kwa ODM asengenjo obere na ODM kurwansaiga karo mu MCA mu MP mu governor kauskobo president iko wikatene na ODM kagotina na ODM, meaning kwa hiyo ticket ya ODM nore a kingpin from where you come from. Okay? Now, probably at 60% Simba Arati nabara abe kingpin ya Luo Nyanza because of honest, homuomopa, tariko ko disappointed kiama, very loyal uche party. Now, otabino ko create a ground uche ase chikaunti chinde chikotoka ime ya Nyanza. Again, wesoko genda asaba koregasi na Simba Kisi County. At least na bakonyora na abegito monto umogere na abegito monto umukuria na abegito mugusi Kisi County na Nyamira County. Asaba koregasi na Simba Arati tokonyora mugusi Kisi County weka. Na bakonyora monto Kisi County Nyamira Luo Nyanza kuru ansamo ya kuria. Meaning ekro parasiti asaba koregasi munabu. Those people, they can market you kuchisobo otware rieta. Okay? Omonto no kabere orere kirikoba the kingpin ya Nyanza region Opiyo Wandayi nabwate kirogo ekenene as Kenya ane kurwa as Nyanza region. Asa abantu bari bare ase ODM Azimio n'abantu bari bare na Raila Odinga Opiyo Wandayi nero bwate kirogo ekenene kya minority International Assembly. Opiyo Wandayi are very close na Raila Odinga ase miaka mingi. Opiyo Wandayi as the MP tanya go disappoint Raila Odinga in the National Assembly as the bipartisan talks obere muntu laudi umuntu atiriso ko igoro muno kwana. That's one thing kego favor Opiyo Wandayi kuchiko at least kova the kingpin ya kurwa Nyanza region. Nyuranga omuntu kaba a kingpin ya Nyanza region, omuntu we katoke imea ODM. To kurwa kiama kene yonzi. Because oyo ororo current no DM nero ko guide Nyanza. Oyo gocha we ko guide Nyanza. To ko guide yaba gusiboka, oso guide yaba gereboka. No. At least omuntu go chigocha a kingpin we ka guide Nyanza ngima at large. Opio Wandai as the MP obereka kore binte bingi ndika konya Raila Odinga asamangana mangi. Na nene robwate kiruge kenene kurwa Nyanza as national government, and that is a minority. Na nene ODM. He can be the kingpin from this Nyanza region. The kingpin onde is Gladys Wanga or Sekoba. Because women rep and the governor, since it was the women rep, siasa ya gocha obere ODM okine me ODM na wate rieta Kisi County na wate rieta Nyamira County na wate rieta ensemo ya Luo Nyanza. Meaning kobe kingpin we koto ale rieta na no mu governor. So a villager tago chukuru kinyino mali ochikobe kingpin ya Luo Nyanza. At least know what some powers choko negotiate asokoro. Sawa. So omuntu oyo abu amongst abandabu na bacho kokora keke. Bare Sekoba amongst those three people. Na wara bakoba the kingpin kurwa Nyanza region. Omuntu ndro chokoba a kingpin ya Nyanza, Junet Mohammed. But he failed somewhere. After election, he disappeared. He went underground. He is nowhere to be seen. So that one, it will not favor him. Come favor. Because ajita underground. But during the campaigns, at least na ititaka manyekana. Angeendelea hivyo, ngocho kobare ngie kutware rieta. Tupia kingpin, we kutware ngano bwate rieta pake kinyuro mahali. Among someone tabuna kwa ereseire, the one who is likely to be the kingpin, Navara we Simba Arati, because of the interest abwate. We have so many governors, Nyanza region, but most of them evacuated. And the reason why now Simba Arati might be the kingpin from Nyanza. Now saying enjo, the wrangles, the battles he's fighting, those wrangles chamu marketiri, chamu bekire chiro, chamu bekire umanyekanire. At least yaba Kenya umanyekanire Kenya ngo governor ku Simba Arati. Okogenda matanga osokora ne pasari amasasi arutu. You know that one na ikia mubekire obeire motu. Nero tinoteba abantu baminto nenche nkuru aniwa asenge nchonde ODM asenge nchona ngire ko swase serikali. Sometimes so tinoteba is the government which is fighting me. So that one ya mu marketiri eretere at least ya chakire ko soka isiko. And by the moment and by the day, by the end of the day, now watch Konyanga already famous. Now watch out. The steps of Simba Arati. Simba Arati, if he has the interest of being the president of this country, then he's likely to be the kingpin from Nyanza. If he is going to be the kingpin from Nyanza, then he is going to be the party leader of ODM. But tinde tiko kwana igora party leader ya ODM ekyo nchengo kwerere mambia ngora lakini asabo ni ga Simba Arati. We are talking about the kingpin ya Nyanza. Simba Arati is likely to be the kingpin from Nyanza region because of the reasons na agotebia awokare. Watch out. Lakini sawa watatu Simba Arati, Opiyo Wandayi, Gladys Wanga. The three, check and watch out. Mbawate great future. Wese ko penya konyo yamoka ko penya ko ba the kingpin kurwa Nyanza region is going to be a national figure. That person ochare ko ba national figure. Ga ko ba national figure na ba chuto ku negotiate. Ama na manara system wa korekanete Kisi was leading. Now you can see when it was no kugani kwa Raila Odinga na Raila Odinga kugani umuntu okora buna komotebi Raila Odinga atigete umuntu okora buna atagete umuntu okubwate amachikaye okubwate amabaretiraye. Otherwise timwati mange nchenguru kwenye mto Dennis wanchu na ngeri kuntu lakini mambia ni nchenkwerere oyo rachiko take as the party leader korwa a party leader ya ODM who is going to take over. And if this person is going to take over from as the party leader, he must come from Nyanza region because ODM hails from Nyanza. And who is this person? If now we have two biggest tribes in Nyanza. Luos, the Gusi, the Bakuria, and the Abasuba. If Luo takes as the Luo takes as the kingpin, the other one will take as the party leader. If the other one takes as the party leader, the other one will take as the kingpin of Nyanza. We will go for the secretary general of the party. We will check out on the deputy party leader as chairperson of the party, the vice chair of the party. Okay, another reason is why Simba Arati might be the kingpin of the Nyanza region because he is the vice chair nationally of ODM. Chairperson of vice chair of ODM party is Simba Arati. And if he is the chairperson, vice chairperson of the party, then he is likely to be promoted as the kingpin of Nyanza. So kuna vitu zingine mingi zinafanya Simba qualify kuwa as the kingpin of Nyanza region. Otherwise, nimeongea mengi, bye see you, tuongee kesho. Nitakueleza who is going to take over as the party leader. And then we are going to look at this politics of Kenya and why Raila he has decided to take over, or he has decided to exit from Kenyan politics to the African Union, why Raila Odinga is moving forward. Do you remember the secret handshake which was done in Mombasa some 4 months ago? Nitakueleza how that one happened. What was the agreement? And now the results are out. The results of Raila Odinga from the private handshake tumeziona leo after 4 months. Stay tuned. Tigatorerane ritukuria mambia. Nchenguruko Dennis Nimtokunto. Bye bye.